The nominees for Restaurant of the Year are Three Senses Restaurant and Lounge, Slate and Sap, Palmila Restaurant, Rain Restaurant, 1981 Restaurant at Naya, Pelican Pub and Grill. The winner for Restaurant of the Year is Slate and Sap.
Slate and Sap's menu cannot be replicated out of Slate and Sap.
We wanted you to have a sense of place when you get here. So a big thing I think you've noticed on the menu is we don't have lobster, we don't have snapper, because when you come up here, that's not what you're coming for.
Well, I knew writing a menu for Hidden Valley, it dictates itself, huh?
When we first started, we had a lot of problems with our staff not thinking that their traditional food was worthy.
Because tourism has changed into culinary experiences now. Sitting at the fire with the fogon burning, the chef's cooking in front of you. When you walk up, my crew knows that copal must be burning. Huh? You hear the music, Mama? That's on my playlist. Ivan Duran came the other day, but it has to be local. It has to tell you the sense of, when you sat at that chair just now, you saw the fire, you smell it, you tasted the food, you hear the music, you smell the copal. It's everything. So the concept became obviously Maya and driven by nature and Belize and culture and people. And if we put that together, we have, people, food culture.
So we wanted that high-end food that the parents are going to enjoy, but children are very important to both of us. So we have a sense of place in our kids' menus. We have a sense of place for multi-generational groups. We have somewhere where everyone can truly enjoy their dining experience.